prosecutor failed to prove rape and kidnapping charges against actor Dileep in the 27 another actor's sexual assault case. The Kerala government says that it will appeal against the trial court's verdict. The Vijayan government also says that it stands with the survivor, as Kerala Mantri made that decision public in a post on his Facebook account. So let's connect with Arpita on this. Pratibha, my colleague, is also joining in. Arpita, now the Kerala government, is it on the back foot as far as when it comes to the prosecution, having failed to actually acknowledge when it comes to the role of Dileep having been played in that case? It was a sensational case. Now the Kerala government says that it will come up to file an appeal against the Sessions Court's verdict.
Well, yes, Amita, the Kerala ministers here in Kerala, Trivandrum, they've come up with a statement that even though the final detailed judgment is awaited, they are saying that they're not happy with the judgment. That is why they will appeal against the trial court's verdict. In fact, they've said that they will continue to support the survivor. Since day one, Kerala government is with the survivor. Chief Minister has been supporting the survivor and they will continue to do so. And that is why, even though they will wait for the detailed judgment, they are not very satisfied with the verdict that is given by the Ernakulam Sessions Court, and that is why they will appeal against the trial.
All right. Sure. But Pratibha, when we speak of this case, you know, it was a sensational case that had happened back in 2017, as it had attracted a wide attention how a young woman, an actor, was allegedly abducted and raped inside a moving car.
A huge star in the Malayalam film industry, and you know, after this incident came to light, now at the center of it all, and now you know, the acquittal of Dileep is also going to be challenged. The state government, the biggest issue being what was the motive behind this sexual assault, and the claim that had been made is the entire case revolves around Pulsar Suni, who interestingly has been convicted in the case, but Dileep has not been convicted. He has been acquitted on the charge that there is no evidence against him that has been proven. The charge, the prosecution had fought in the court that Pulsar Suni was in touch with Dileep and he is the one who had orchestrated this entire attack. The motive being that the survivor had informed his then wife Manju Warrior of his extramarital affair, and that is the reason why he was having a grudge against her, and this entire plot was actually a revenge against her. But those who have now been
convicted, their sentencing will happen soon, but this isn't the matter as far as the actor Dileep is concerned. The Kerala government said that they will take up the matter further in the higher courts. Thank you very much for the moment, Arpita and Pratibha, for joining in. With that, we headed to a short break. You're watching Times Now.